everyone! Okay, so ngayon, ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung quick and easy way kung paano tayo makakagawa ng card. So, there. So, the reason why I'm showing you this kit is part of this video is to give you another surprise. So, what is that surprise? It's actually a giveaway. So, the mechanics will be posted down below on how you can be qualified to join our giveaway for this beginner's craft kit. So, of course, it will be made available in our Shopee and in our Facebook shop. But, since you're here and watching our video, we wanted to say thank you. So, once we hit 100 subscribers or more, we will begin the drawing for this particular kit. Oh, I'll show you what it has. This is... So, once we hit 100 subscribers in our YouTube, then we will have this raffle out. Good luck, guys. So, I think we can begin our card making. So, again, these are your card sizes. You have 4 by 3 inches. You have 3 by 3 inches. For the tags, you have 2.5, 2 and 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'll just paste it in here. I think we can begin with the tags. So I have already pre-cut some of the papers here, so it would be easier for us. Let me see. So this one, it's 2.5. This one, it's 2. I believe I have another one which is 1.5. So I told you earlier, I'm just gonna showcase this to you, how I use this, so that you know if you wanted to purchase, this is how it goes. You just slide your paper, punched it, and voila, you have your tag. Do the other one. So you see this, it's like there's a mini borders here. That is the indicator of the size of the card. So just, slide your card up where it actually stopped you, and then hold it and punched it. Yan. So you have your tags. So usually for the tags, what I do is, I just designed it with some ephemeras. I designed it with ribbons, etc. And then you can also check if you wanted, this height, or you wanted it a little bit smaller. So it's up to you. So sometimes what I do is, I just put in like this washi tape. So you can do that. What I usually do is I put the washi tapes just here. There, and then I just got it here. There, so you have that design, and then I check whatever ephemeras I have. So we have a lot of ephemeras here. I think I'll just use this one. Maybe that one, or maybe this one. Yeah. I think I'll go for this one. Okay? And then what I do is I always use this mounting tape because it's very, very handy. It's good. It will give you like a 3D or 3-dimensional design for your tag. So you just paste it there, and then there, put it in your tag. Just eyeball it. There you go. You have this very pretty tag already handy, and then you can choose whether you're gonna use a silver thread or you can use a twine, right? So I think I'll just use a twine here. Then just loop it like that. Put it in here. There. Oh, before I forgot, I'm so sorry. I almost forgot it. So we have, remember this? The reinforcement. So this is how you're gonna use it. So as I mentioned earlier, this is actually a sticker. Dahil tamad ako. So, yung sticker na yung pinunch ko para hindi na ako mag-glue. And then you just put it right here. There. So it will protect your hole. Right? So it's very pretty and it's actually glittery. So it adds like a design to your tag. Just put in your twine and pull it like this. There you go. You have your Christmas tag. Okay, so for the card, I already have a pre-cut here of the paper. So we'll start with the 4x3. So you will see here, it has a 6 inches for the length and 4 inches for the height. The reason being is that, remember, our card is 4x3. So we needed to make sure that we have enough when we fold it. So it's like 6 inches when you cut it, and then you fold it, it became 3 inches. Okay, so usually I use this, where's my scorer? Okay guys, I'm just looking for my missing scorer. Alright, there you go. So usually what I do is, I make sure that I score it like this. So it would be easier for you when you want to fold it, right? But if you don't have a scorer, just put it right in the middle, and then you just press it here. This is what we call, for just the beginners, a bone folder. So it makes life easier to make sure na okay yung pag-fold mo. Okay? So now you have a 4x3 card. So what did I do with my other video where I've shown you some of the designs of our cards is that I punch this. I use this just so I can showcase to you what it actually does. So I just punch it right here in the very corner. And then I punch on another corner here. So what does it do? Actually, it's very good because what it does is it will like give you an option. Like, let me just cut this one. Be about this size, and let's see, there. So it will just actually give you an option to make a 2-in-1 card. See, you can make your message, you know, you can write your message on this additional paper, or you can take it away and put your message here, right? So why do I do that? On our available card in Shopee, what we did for the people to be happy is that we make it as a 2-in-1. So for 2-in-1, what we did was we punched the corner. So I'll punch this just 1/2 inch, just to make it a little bit pretty and not too sharpy on the edges, on the corner. And then I punch a hole on it. So here, you know, like manong magtitikit. So I'm just eyeballing the middle, and you punched it right there, right? And then you just put in put a ribbon. Okay. There. Okay, and then when you put the ribbon, put this inside. And now you have a 2-in-1 card. So you have a tag inside that you can use where you wanted to write your message, or you can remove this and then you can write on the back of this and use this as a gift tag, or you know, a bookmark, or your journaling card, whatever it is. But at least you have 2 options, right? And then here, let's just remove this first. What you can do as a design, or what we usually do as a design for that is, you know, remember the papers that I've shown you earlier where you have a pre-cut design already? That's what you can use to decorate your Christmas card. So here, I have lots and lots of different designs to use. So I think what I'm gonna do is, this is just a perfect, you know, a perfect size. So I'll just use that so it's easier. Okay, so what I use is, you know, I just put a glue on it at the back. Yeah, it's a double-sided paper, so you can actually check whatever design you wanted to use for your card. But the good thing is it's double-sided. And if you can see, I usually use clear glue because it's easier to clean when you mess up, right? If you use white and your cardstock is colored cardstock, not white, it will actually show and it's not easy to clean. So I highly recommend to just, you know, use a clear glue. You can buy it anywhere. I bought mine at National Bookstore. National Bookstore for 21 pesos only. So there. There you go. And then we can use some ephemeras again. Yeah, maybe we can use this one. And put that. Now let's try to put a mounting tape. And then take this away, peel it off, and you know, put it somewhere here. Yeah. there you go. You have your Christmas card. And here, you can have your tag inserted here. There. Now, you have a 2-in-1 Christmas card. So you have your card and you have your tag inside. It's very cute, it's very simple, and it's easy to make. Okay? And you can make this using that beginner's crafter kit. Okay. Card. Okay? So here are our finished product, guys. It's very easy, and on the beginner's craft kit that we've shown you, you can actually make a lot of different cards, a lot of different tags from there. And it's very, it's very affordable and cheap. You can just check it out in our Shopee and in our Facebook account, okay? So I hope you enjoyed it. So as I've said, just make sure that you follow the mechanics that we will put in on the description below on this video, so that when it's time for us to raffle the giveaway beginner's kit, you will be one of the... you will have your entry on the raffle giveaway, and you will have the chance to get that kit. Okay, so you guys, thank you very much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed our crafting activity. Bye guys, thank you!